Metasynth CTX is an extremely powerful environment to create any style of music as well as an infinite range of sounds. It uses various rooms devoted to particular techniques of synthesis or filtering. The last one combine all elements created with Metasynth into a final mix effect. The room features a number of filters and unique effects like the shuffler or the granular synth. The graphic equalizer is so precise that you can almost make music with it. The image synth offers an immense range of possibilities. Thousands of harmonics can be described by an image and additively synthesized using any possible tuning. As the sound source can be anything from a simple sine wave to a collection of samples, you basically multiply all the possible sounds without possible images. The image filter lets you create time-varying filters with an incredible precision, using a very clear time-frequency representation. Reds and greens maps to stereo placement. Spectral synth can resequence full-spectrum FFT analysis. With it you can create incredibly rich sounds and manipulate audio in incredible ways. The sequencer offers a piano roll interface to quickly compose semitones melodies that you can render with the multiple Metasynth instruments. The playback continues seamlessly when changing selection in real time to explore variation. The Montage Room allows to sequence all elements created within Metasynth and mix them with audio to assemble entire pieces.